friends, welcome to my channel Ichidana by Gauri. Today we will make potato wedges. Let's see the recipe. For making potato wedges, I took 3 potatoes. Cut the potatoes like this. Let's half boil it. Half boil the potatoes for 4 to 5 minutes. Potato is half boiled. Let's cool it by cool water. Potato is cooled and I dried the potatoes by tissue papers. Let's ready a batter. I take a bowl, 2 tablespoons rice flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon ginger paste, 1/4 teaspoon garlic paste, 2 chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt and water. Let's mix it. And make a thin batter. And also mixed 2 teaspoons wheat flour. Let's mix well. Batter is ready. You can see the texture like this. At first, hot the oil, then to low flame of the gas. Take potatoes one by one and leave hot oil. Fry the potatoes until light brown color. When leave the potatoes in the frying pan, continuously stir it. Potato frying is complete. You can see the texture of potato. I take down it. Second time, leave the potatoes in the hot oil and fry the same way. Potato frying is completed. I take down it. Potato wedges are completely ready. Now you can enjoy it. If you would like my recipes, you can also subscribe my channel and share it. Bye-bye friends for this day. See you next day with new recipe. Thank you for watching my video.